Well, yes, that is a wrinkly bed sheet behind me. How did you know? I am trying a new setup. I don't think it's gonna work, but that's okay. It helps with the focus, and just bear with me. You know, I'm trying, okay? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. It is actually going to be a first impression video, and I am going to be giving you my thoughts on the Carli Bybel palette. I have been looking at this since last year, and it went on sale, and I thought, okay, it's time. I want to pick it up. I will be honest, I did look at the palette before getting on camera, and one of the colors was shattered, so I went ahead and repressed it, but I have not touched it. So this is my first impression, and I hope that you enjoy. I ordered this from Macy's, and it came with this cute little Smashbox primer water. But this was just a little sample size that came with it. I put enough in my cart that they were like, we'll send you free stuff. And of course, this is like itty bitty, but it's cute, okay? This is a cult favorite. People love this primer water. I'm just gonna start by prepping my skin. I've already put moisturizer on, so let's just go ahead and put a little of this on. I'm kind of scared. Ooh. Whoa. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna take this out. This is very Carli Bybel. Look at these little pink bubbles, and they're raised. This is fun. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and take a look. I think this is a beautiful palette. I really bought this palette for this color called OA. It's a pressed glitter. That's what we're gonna use today. So very excited. This color, My Angels, this was the one that I had to repress, but it's okay, all is fixed. I will say, as pretty as the white is, it's difficult to keep clean. That's just personal preference. I would rather it be a different color because I already have to clean my other Anastasia palette so frequently. But like I said, that's just personal preference, and we're really here to review the formula and if it works. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I don't like this up under my eyes, but I think it's going to be great for prepping because it's a very thick concealer. So I'm just going to prep my eyelids with this color. I would say that I would set it, but I don't know. Do I want to set it? Do I want to set my eyeballs? You know what? I'm gonna set them. I'm a wild one. I'm taking the Becca. Did you see that? You probably didn't, but like this powder just went everywhere. I don't even know what the name of this is. It's like the Becca, oh, Hydra-Mist. It's the Set and Refresh powder. It's from Becca. I think I already said that. I like how the little, it's like a screen, and it makes sure that you don't get too much. I don't know if it's a gimmick, but it's supposed to be a hydrating powder. It used to be cold, it's not anymore, but that's okay. Alright. I'm gonna start with the E16 from Colourpop. I'm gonna dip in the color Chai, which is right there. I don't know if you saw that. Lots of fallout. Holy mackerel. I barely tapped in. It's crazy. I'm tapping off the extra, so make sure that you do that because you don't want, look, watch. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting this right in the crease. This is crazy. Crazy pigmented. They always are though. I don't know why I'm surprised. They blend so well though. I don't know if you can tell, but it's so blendable. Sometimes though, because they are so powdery, they just, I don't know, they almost blend together. But besides that, I mean, it's still good. So if you've never tried out Anastasia Beverly Hills shadows, I would definitely give them a chance. Actually, I would start off with the Soft Glam palette. It's the same formula as far as I know. That one you can use for weddings. The Soft Glam you can use for any occasion, honestly. You can use it for date nights, whatever you want to do. Alright, so something happened and I had to refilm this portion, but please bear with me if I look a little different. Just know that this is life. Alright, so I left off on the crease, and then I am going to deepen up the crease with the color Bowie, which is a cool toned brown. I'm taking the Colourpop E19. I'm just dipping in very lightly. I want to darken up the crease. I'm going to try to keep it lower. In other words, this color will be higher, the lightest shade, and then I'm gonna right in the crease put this darker brown. In fact, I'm probably You see how I'm looking down so I can put that color right in the crease, because I want that to be the darkest area before we go in with that deep blue. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna finish this eye and start on this one, and then I'll be back, okay?
A few moments later.
I have been going back and forth. This is the E16. This was the brush that I used on the first color. Sometimes on videos I don't always show my eyes with as much detail, but I feel like you need to see how long it's gonna take on like a dark smoky eye. Just because sometimes, I don't know about you, but when I see tutorials on YouTube, I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks so easy. It takes so much time, and so I feel like it's important to show that. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Hold on. I got this also. This is like a Anastasia Beverly Hills mirror. Look how cute. This also came in the package. They say it's a freebie, but you know you paying for it. How adorable. It's just a little mirror. I bet you saw yourself. Now taking the NYX glitter primer. This is a drugstore primer. I think I got mine at Target. This is going to go on my eyelids. So the reason I'm doing this is because the color that I'm about to put down is a pressed glitter, and I don't want to get it everywhere. It's sticky. Now the star of the show. I'm going to be taking the color right here. It's called OA. I've been waiting like over a week. I am so weird. That's gorgeous. I'm just moving on to this eye. Gorgeous. So I'm just going to take that same color OA and I'm going to put it on the E19. This was the little brush that I had, and I'm just gonna carefully put this in the crease so that everything is blended. I'm also gonna get a little right here in the corner. I don't want to go too far though, because I don't want it to bleed down here. There was a little fallout, and I'm just gonna wipe it off. So I like to mix foundations, and I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna mix the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear with the Glossier Skin Tint. So I'm gonna start with the L'Oreal. That was way too much Fresh Wear, and then I'm going to top it off with the Skin Tint. I feel like the Fresh Wear sometimes is too thick. That's my personal opinion. And I just mix them together. I'm gonna take my... That's dirty! Okay, let me go find a clean brush. I'll be back. This is a Wet n Wild foundation brush. I'm just gonna take it directly on the brush. Oh, that's pretty. That's a good combination. I'm gonna drag it down my neck. Now onto concealer. I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. Just gonna put a little, actually no, I'm gonna put more today because I do want to be really bright up under my eyes because of the purple. Need to make sure that these bags are covered up because you don't want to look like you're sick wearing a color like this. I'm gonna use the same brush. Trying to be gentle up under my eyes, and I know that this brush is way too big, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the under eyes. All I'm going to do is take Bowie, which is that gray tone brown, putting this right up under my eyes, and then I'll take a little of the OA, that pretty bluey purple color, and I'm gonna put it up under the eyes as well. I'm just gonna finish this up and come back. I do not want to hear it. This might have just happened while the camera was off. This is probably the longest video that I've ever done. Or filming. I don't know. I don't know what I'm even saying anymore. I'm just thriving. This video is great. Okay, while we are waiting for that mascara mishap to dry, I'm gonna take the color Bali. And I'm actually gonna mix it with Bare, which is right up under it, which is like a matte creamy shade. This might be a disaster, but we're gonna try anyway, okay? I'm gonna put this right on the inner corner. That worked! I'm just mixing the two. That's pretty. just to kind of liven up the inner corner. Let's try it over here. It works. I'm gonna put a little on my brow bone. I need to do my eyebrows. I might go off camera to do that. Y'all will forgive me, right? I'll just come back and have my eyebrows done. It's okay. You don't need to see everything, right? Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna do my eyebrows then. I'll see you in just a second. Alright, so the eyebrows are on. Mascara mistake has been taken care of as much as I can. Now we're going to move on to cheeks. I am going to actually use Brit by MAC. This is a cream blush. It's almost like a mauve. Very pretty. Oh, this is a great color for this eye look. And I haven't decided whether I'm going to put bronzer on yet. I might. I'm putting a little on my nose so that it looks like I'm sun-kissed. This was one of those rare finds that you go, oh, why is nobody talking about this? I don't think I'm gonna put any bronzer on. So I want to try something fun. I want to take this color Bali, which was that highlighting shade. Let me show you right quick. Let me see if you can, right here. And I want to try it as a highlight. Let's see if this works. Let me find a brush that's small enough. I'm gonna take that Bali color that I showed you and I'm just gonna dip in and I think it's gonna work. Is it too dark? I don't think it's too dark. I don't know, you tell me. You're the one looking at me. That's pretty. Ooh. You know, you never know until you try, and sometimes using eyeshadow as a highlight is fun. Okay, so on to, oh, I need to do lips. So let me go find a pretty lip. I think I found the perfect combo, I hope. Crossing my fingers. This is Lumiere by Colourpop. This is a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. I just buy everything that she collaborates with. This is the color Lumiere. This is a Lippie Pencil. This might be too purple. I like to take my finger and do this number so that there's not a harsh line. This is gonna be really pretty. Now moving on to Littlestitious. This is a satin lip, I believe, by Colourpop. I think that works. I don't know. What do you think? I think it works. I went and grabbed the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. Smells good too. All right, I'm gonna do one more spray. I already added some of this, but that's good stuff. Smells good too. Had a little bronze bubble, but that's okay. Okay, this is the finished look. What do you think? I'm a fan. I think it's pretty. So, first impression, I'm really impressed. In fact, I want to do more with this palette. Comment down below and let me know if you would be interested in me doing more tutorials with this palette. Also, this was a not so popular palette. I don't really know why. I know it's on sale, but I think it's a really good palette. It might have been because these shades, you know, they bust easily, but besides that, I mean, like, I repressed it and I haven't used that shade again yet, but you know, I thought that I was gonna like it, but I didn't know I was gonna like it this much. Also, comment down below video ideas and also like this video and subscribe. I kind of want to do another first impression soon because I like testing this out. Hopefully my next first impressions will go as well as this one did. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. It really means a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.